Welcome to Secure Financial Education. Subscribe to the channel. We have the answers you need for the life you want. Budgeting 101. The no budget budget. This budget is pretty much just how it sounds. The only thing you have to do is look at your bank account balance. There isn't even a need to track your expenses. Believe it or not, this actually works for some people, but it scares just as many others. You should automate your savings and make sure there is enough in your checking account for all of your bills. You can spend as you see fit on everything else. In a perfect world, you would also automate as many of your bills as possible. Automation works for those bills that have a standard payment each month. When automating payment of standard expenses, you can simply make sure that money is in the right account, and then not have to worry about it from there. Who should give this budget a try? This budget is for people who really don't like to budget. If you are someone who does not like putting in the time to manage your budget down to the penny, then this method might be for you. It requires very little work and very little tracking of your expense. Even to the financial planners, the no budget budget is appealing just because of the time savings. Since there is minimal tracking, this method may be best for those on a little bit higher income level. What to be careful of? Since you are not tracking your expenses, the no budget budget can be dangerous as you could very likely overspend. Prioritizing saving is really important because you might need the extra money if you overspend or something unexpected comes up. For this reason, automating savings and setting up an emergency fund is important. Once again, let me mention that a higher level of income is recommended for this type of budget. Be careful if you are trying this on a lower income. The money can be spent very quickly if you're not tracking each item. I hope this information was helpful. If this type of budget interests you, try it out and let us know your experience. Your comments here can help others who are trying to figure out which budget is right for them. Thanks for stopping by and watching. Please comment below, your opinion is important. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. We have the answers you need for the life you want.